seems to be the problem, Mr. Jones?
Yeah, Doc. I seem to be having like energy problems. You know, low energy. It's a little embarrassing, but
Low energy, what do you mean? You know, exercise? If you exercise, man.
No. Like, you know, like masculine energy problems. You know.
Oh!
It's a little embarrassing.
Your cocky can't turn up. Oh, it's not funny. Sorry.
Yeah. So, anyways, my Jamaican friend said that I should see this guy. I went on Google and said, Dr. Dagger.
Yes.
Is that you?
Dr. Dagga.
Yeah.
Dr. Dagga at your
They
service.
said that.
I'm in a service, man, so scratch that. Anyways.
I don't know. Do you have anything that, like, you know, I could take, or, you know?
Yeah.
My Jamaican friends, they rave about all this stuff, right? So I just thought I'd come and see you.
Don't even worry, dog. I have some local remedies for you. Can help you out.
All right.
Pretty little thing, yeah. See them remedy, yeah? See them, yeah?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Let me show you this one, yeah. See this one, yeah?
Baba roots?
Boba roots, dog. Natural herbal thing, right? Make it turn up. Tiff.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man.
All right, yeah.
Deal with it. Real natural thing, this, you know.
Okay.
You'll put ink in your pen, you know. Oil in your car.
What?
You know what I mean?
Uh...
Yeah. What? See this one, yeah? Peanut punch, right? Make it just turn up.
Oh, turn up. Oh, my Jamaican wife always says turn up.
Yeah.
So,
the
all
turn over.
So this turns you up.
Real power thing, this.
Power. Yeah. Does this stuff really work? So,
You see, we have this one little married thing, right? Yeah. Every night when our husband going to work, just put it on her, you know.
Oh,
drink this up,
right. Yeah.
Cause she had tell me, sir, her husband flanky like, you know.
I get it.
Wait. But this one, yeah, this is a special blend, you know. And me make this. Me sprinkle all sorts of sitting in this.
Cock-a-crow.
Yeah. Call this one the cock-a-crow. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Cock-a-doodle.
You see what I say?
Alright.
Right?
Okay.
This all you need is one drop.
And this turns you up.
Will.
Alright.
You will tip up for 5 days, so be careful, very careful.
5 days.
Yeah, 5 days. Let me tell you, one time me drink 2 drop. One more clot, the married thing. She mash up. Right? Me have her bend over. Right? Me see her look a 5-star tattoo. Me say, Jesus Christ. Me just
Five.
Yeah man. Her look a 5-star
tattoo.
Yeah, her 5-star tattoo on her left body cheek, on the left body jaw.
The left.
Right?
Bum.
She name Shelly Ann. Right?
Shelly has the 5-star tattoo on the left bum cheek?
Yeah, on the left body jaw.
That's my wife! Oh, that's my wife!
Shelly Ann for your wife?
Yeah!
Oh shit. Here, calm down now. Here, you take this, right? The cock-a-crow. Go deal with her. It's free of charge. Me not gonna charge you, you know. For you. Alright.
Crow mash up the hen house tonight.